Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's that time of the year again. It is time to get into our Halloween series. So here is the picture, which is the inspiration for today's look. And so we're just going to go right in and jump on into the makeup look. So we're going in with the Morphe Fluffy brush, and we are going to take that black and put that right in the crease. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it was scary. I was very scared. It's been a long time since I've done dramatic looks, but you definitely have to trust the process. Use a controlled brush so that you have more control over that black. Start with a little bit, and then definitely make sure you start low so you don't have that color all the way up to your eye. Once I get that in, I did go in with the Natasha Denona palette, and I used kind of like a gray color, and I got that black out. And then to blend the gray out, I went in with this palette here and used a white, which is more like an off-white, just to blend all those colors out. Once I was done with that, sorry, I'm moving a little faster than thing. And sorry guys if you hear this background, it is definitely storming here, but things definitely have to get done. Once I've got that blended how I want it, then it's time to cut the crease. I cut my crease using the white LA color because I really wanted the white that I'm going to do in the front of the lid of that cut crease to be as white as possible. So that's why I chose that. Once I cut my crease, then I went in and closed the crease with that black, and then I put the gray, and then I went in with the white in the front. For this look, I did decide to use regular foundation. I did my regular foundation routine. I wasn't ready for the white face for this particular look, so I just used my normal foundation. I did put on bottom lashes, and child, it was the struggle, honey, but I got through it. I do go in and have the white in the upper corner, in the lower lash line, and I blended that out with the black. Then I went in with the red paint that I got from my local Walmart and drew the lines that it normally has. Now, I did forget to do my nose on camera, but later on, you'll see in the pictures, I believe in these pictures, that I did end up coloring my nose, and that completed the look. Let me know if you guys decide to do this, if this is what you're dressing up as Halloween. Make sure you tag me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will chat with you guys later.